Can you imagine how different you would be if you could induce a state of relaxation at will, even when you're facing difficult and challenging situations? Most likely, the imagined you would have more energy, more joy, and more trust in life. My name is Dr. Swami Shankardev Saraswati, and with my partner Jane Stevenson, we've created a course in relaxation meditation that teaches you how to become a relaxed person. Relaxation is one of the most important skills you can learn, and the combination of relaxation and meditation is a powerful way to de-stress, recuperate from illness, and move towards joyful well-being. The amount of enjoyment and pleasure you get out of life is directly linked to how deeply you can relax and how much control you have over your stress levels. Constant stress impacts your health, your vitality and sleep, your work and relationships. It diminishes your life, weakens your immunity, and makes you vulnerable to physical and mental illness. Stress makes you hypersensitive, physically, psychologically, and emotionally. At the same time, stress is a natural part of living. You can't achieve anything without some form of stress, without the challenges that are part of life experience. Challenges can bring wisdom and strength if you know how to manage them properly. In any case, you can't avoid stress. It's much wiser to learn how to cope with stress, to understand how it impacts your life, and how to turn it to your advantage. You can learn how to use stress to improve your life in a way that puts you back in control. And this is what we teach in the Relaxation Meditation course. It's a systematic training composed of a simple set of skills and theoretical principles that can be learned and applied to your life in a short time. You will learn the skill of relaxation and how to create a healthy relaxation baseline. This means that rather than being stressed all the time, calm and resilience can become part of your natural state of being. This enables you to rest more deeply, recuperate your energy, and recover from sudden and extreme stresses when they occur. In the Relaxation Meditation course, you'll learn how to handle stress effectively as it occurs, improve your immunity and resilience, reduce tension and exhaustion at will, recover from and manage pain and chronic ill health, and relax anytime, anywhere, even when you're facing challenging situations. Each step of this course takes you progressively deeper into relaxation, turning off the negative effects of stress, anxiety, and overthinking, and soothing your body and mind. All the techniques will combine into one potent technique that you can practice anytime, anywhere, even when you're in the midst of a stressful event. This will become an invaluable, portable life skill. The Relaxation Meditation course is designed to be studied in short, easy increments that fit in with a busy life. It's suitable for anyone who wants to develop a healthy relaxation baseline, build natural immunity, and prevent stress-based illness. It's also recommended as a fundamental training program for all yoga meditation students and teachers. This is because relaxation is the foundation of all successful meditation. It's Self-Regulation 101. We know that your health and well-being will improve as a result of doing this course, and that the skills you gain will transform every part of your life. We're also sure that you'll enjoy the course, but most of all, that you'll enjoy becoming a more relaxed person.